my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Today's video we are going to be reviewing the BH Cosmetics and the Iggy AZAELIA Totally Plastic collaboration. I got a few things from the collection. I thought I actually checked out more, but I guess not. So we have an eyeshadow palette, we have the face palette, lip gloss, and I bought the hand mirror because I just thought it was cute. If you're interested in watching me review this collection and give you an eyeshadow look, please continue to watch. I'm gonna show you what the eyeshadow palette looks like first, and then we'll do some swatches. I got the blue one. This one is called Blue Fur. I don't have that many blue eyeshadow palettes, and this one just kind of spoke to me versus the other two. They had a purple one and a pink one, and I have watched other artists do reviews on them, and I'm kind of glad that I didn't get those two and I only got the blue one, because apparently the pink and the purple are like, so no dice, like don't get that one. But look at the color story on this one. So after looking at the swatches, I'm kind of confused as to what look I can actually do with these shades, because they are kind of ashy, and I'm a little bit worried, but I'm not going to be that person yet. Let's give it a chance. Let's see how it performs. I've done my foundation and I've done everything except bronze, so we're going to use the face palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very cute, isn't it? Iggy AZALEA is very pretty, but I'm just confused, like where did this makeup collaboration come from? Like, I thought you were still music. So this is plastic again, which I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at the packaging at all. Who doesn't love glitter? I mean, it's very, very cute. So I think that this shade is what is for me, so I'm gonna do this one. Let's see how it does. I also have other BH Cosmetics face palettes and I like them, so hopefully this is like the same kind of formula and it does well as well. I need to work on that it also does well. I don't know what I need to say, but does well as well just does not feel good coming out of my mouth. This is a BH Cosmetics 124 brush that I'm gonna use, and I'm just gonna take this middle shade on the BH Cosmetics brush. Oh, I need to pull out my hand mirror. What have I been doing, girl? I don't even know what I was about to grab, but I need to pull out my hand mirror. This is very cute. So cute. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm just not really sure where this like makeup collaboration came from with Iggy AZALEA and BH Cosmetics, but I'm not mad at it. Iggy AZALEA is very pretty. I just didn't know that she was like into makeup like that, you know? So this shade is coming off very nice. I don't feel like the camera's picking it up the way that I need it to. It looks very nice. I mean, it looks like colors that I've used before, so it's okay. I can't say that like it's the best bronzing palette that I've ever used at all, but I'm kind of thinking maybe this would be like a good eyeshadow palette as well, because it's just a bunch of neutral shades. So it's like, well, you could never have too many of these types of shades. So I mean, I'm just kind of done up with it and I don't really know what to say about it, so I'm just gonna say it's okay. It's okay, it's all right. So let's just move right along. I'll give you my final thoughts on everything at the end, but let's just move right on along. We're gonna move on to the eyeshadow palette now. So the problem that I'm having with trying to choose a color is that everything is a shimmer. We only have mattes here, here, and here, and the rest are shimmers. So I think this is like the only shade that I can use as like a deep shade to kind of like create a look. So I think that's what we're gonna have to do. Let's just do that. Let's do that. So I'm just gonna dip my color in here, well, my brush into this color. That's actually what I was trying to say. Let's use our little devil mirror. So this shade is actually coming off a little bit like better than I thought it would. So that's a good sign. Well, I think I'm gonna do the same thing on both sides, because I can't really figure out another way to go on this palette that won't end up looking crazy. So we're gonna try to do just one look on both sides. So I'm just taking that color in my crease. This color is not very powerful, so I mean, it's not like making a statement, you know what I mean? It's just kind of like there, just like regular. So I think we're going to put the blue on the lid and blend it up. So I'm going to take this blue on my brush. This is a blue shimmer, and I'm hopeful that this is not going to make a mess. So this shade is coming off very pretty, very shimmery, not very much fallout so far. I'm gonna go back into that first shade again and blend these two shades together where they meet in the crease. I'm gonna go back in with that blue and pack it in and sort of blend it right here and go back to the other brush. Okay, so let's just move on from that. It looks okay. I'm not finished with it yet, so I'm trying to give it a chance before I say anything about it. But now I'm gonna take this gold shade as an inner corner crease color. Put it there, and sort of pop it outwards. Okay, I'm starting to find the fallout now. It's like in here. Okay, so I went ahead and popped on the other eye off camera. I had to cut it off because my daughter came in here talking and I didn't have a chance to, like, you know, pause you guys. But yeah, so this is what the eye look looks like. I'm going to add some liner and lashes real quick. So I'm gonna do that and then we'll move on. So we got through the eye look. Let's move on to the lip gloss. So this is the Oral Fixation. The name of this one is it 2004 yet? So again, the packaging is real cute. This is super cute, right? With a little butterfly dangling and a little poof thing. So this is how it looks. It's it actually kind of matches my nails. Look at that. Girl, what an amazing choice. Let's see how it performs though, because I don't know if you guys can tell, I haven't really been saying much, but I'm just not really in love with this. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. Okay, hold on. I have lip gloss on. Let's give it another chance. Okay, one more time. Okay, so I don't hate the lip gloss. I don't hate it. It's fine. It's just like a regular golden color, which is fine. It's a golden shade. Okay, let me just give you my final thoughts on everything because I just don't really have much to say. If you were thinking about getting the Iggy Azalea BH Cosmetics collaboration, I would say miss on the palettes, miss on the bronzer face palette. I would say these are a miss, to be honest. I would say these are a miss. The packaging is very cute. The eyeshadow, it's just not giving me BH Cosmetics life. It's not what BH Cosmetics normally like. I'm kind of confused about everything here. I'd say the best things that I got were it's already dirty. The best thing I got in this whole collection that I purchased, out of the things that I purchased, I would say that this mirror was the cutest. Very cute mirror. The lip gloss came with a cute case. Was there something else that I bought? I think this was it. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of this collection. So yeah, I mean, I don't know if you could tell from, like, I just didn't have much to say about it. I was trying to wait until the end to tell you guys anything negative that I had to say, but I'm not here for this one. So I would say that this one is a fail. Thumbs down, half a star. Well, no, I'll give them 1 full star for the cute mirror, and the packaging was cute. Even like the plastic stuff is very cute. It's very on trend with the name. Very cute. Very, very, very cute. But cute does not work here for me. I need the stuff to work well as well. See, I did it again. Work well. I need it to also work well. I need it to look nice and also work well. So if you're thinking about getting in this collection, I would say just don't even get the mirror, girl. It's cute. The mirror is cute and the lip gloss is popping, but other than that, this is not BH Cosmetics. This is something else. They dropped the ball in this collection, in my opinion. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm sorry that this review wasn't the best. I mean, like, the products didn't work out the best. I tried to give you guys my honest opinion because I love to say that things are great and that I love everything, but I just really could not say that this time. I really could not say anything nice except for how cute the mirror was and the lip gloss and the packaging. Literally, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this review turned out kind of negative, but I just like to be honest with you guys so you don't waste your money. Yeah, you guys will see my face in the next video.